Hi, my name is Gretchen Montague, and I teach accelerated reading class. If your child has me for their teacher on their schedule, they are in my class for a little bit of extra help in reading because we've seen in the past that they have had some struggles in reading. So our goal this year is to really help them and get them caught up to where they need to be so they can be successful in every area of life, as we know that reading is so important. So like I said, my name is Gretchen Montague. I have 3 children. 2 of them graduated from Midway High School. My girls are both in grad school and college. And then I also have an 8-year-old who is at South Bosque Elementary. So kind of all spread out all over the place. My why in teaching is because I love to help kids be the best that they can be and to be the most successful humans they can be. And that starts from day one. And I've told your kids this year that already that they're 6th graders now, and it's time for them to start taking responsibility for their learning. I know every single one of them is capable of doing well, and I have assured them that I am going to push them to do their best in everything they do, but especially in here. So again, that we can get them where they need to be. Fun fact, if I wasn't a teacher, I would love to do something with travel. I love to travel, and so I would love to maybe be a travel agent or write for a travel magazine. That sounds glamorous, but in my off time, I like to dream about travel, even if I don't get to. For our curriculum, we use different things. I try to go along with what the regular ed reading teachers are doing. For instance, when they're doing plot diagram in their rooms, we're also doing it in here just to support and help those teachers and help the kids answer any questions that they have about what's going on. And so our curriculum, we don't have a set curriculum. I just use whatever I need to support the kids. And as far as, we do have a computer program called Reading Plus that we use a lot, and the kids, it's really helpful. I see a lot of growth when kids really invest in that and do that. As a parent, if you can just help your kids read at home, just make sure they're reading and then ask them questions about what they're reading. And not just assume that they're understanding what they're reading, just ask them questions about what they're reading. It will help them grow as a reader. The most important thing your kids need to be successful in my class is to just try. Put forth some effort and try and focus, and they will have everything they need as long as they're really putting forth some effort and trying. That's all I can ask from them. I promise to you to put forth my best effort to help them become better readers. And I promise you by the end of the year, they will. If they're willing to put forth some effort, I promise to meet them where they are and help them in every area that I can. And I promise you they will come out of the year as a better reader and hopefully go into middle school really prepared as a reader to do well in every subject. The best way to reach me is through email, gretchen.montag@midwayisd.org. I know it's being linked here by this video, so you can click on that and always have the spelling and know where to reach me. My conference period is the last period of the day, so it is from 2:45 to 3:55. So you can call me and ask the school to talk to me. I'm here all the time and would love to talk to you anytime. Please don't hesitate to call me or contact me with any questions. I'm here to support your kid and to help them to, like I said, be the best that they can be. So I look forward to working together and having a great year.